Hello, I want to rent.
Welcome to the new apartment.
Is it on second floor?
Yes, up the wide stairs.
The living room is big.
It gets much warm sunlight.
How many bedrooms are here?
There are 2 big bedrooms.
Does it have a balcony?
Yes, a very nice balcony.
The view outside is great.
You can see the park.
Is the neighborhood very quiet?
Yes, it is very peaceful.
I like the wooden floors.
They are very easy cleaning.
Are the neighbors nice people?
They are very friendly families.
I want to see kitchen.
Let us walk right there.
The hallway is very wide.
It is a spacious place.
I like this nice home.
It is a great choice.
Let us talk about money.
We can discuss the price.
Let me check the water.
Turn on the silver tap.
The water pressure is strong.
The hot water is fast.
Yes, it is very hot.
Do the lights work well?
I will push the switch.
The ceiling light is bright.
Are the electrical outlets safe?
Yes, they are completely new.
Does the winter heater work?
The heater makes it warm.
The windows are very thick.
They keep the cold outside.
I hear no street noise.
The thick glass stops noise.
Where is the washing machine?
It is in the bathroom.
Is it a new machine?
I bought it last month.
Do I pay for water?
No, water is completely free.
I only pay for electricity?
Yes, you pay the light.
Everything works perfectly fine here.
I keep the place nice.
How much is the rent?
It is $1,000.
Is that for 1 month?
Yes, every month is 1,000.
Do you require a deposit?
Yes, 1 month rent.
So $2,000 total.
Yes, to move in today.
Can I pay with cash?
We only accept paper cash.
I have the money here.
Let me count the bills.
Here are 2,000 bills.
The paper cash is exact.
Will I get deposit back?
Yes, when you move out.
I will keep apartment clean.
That is very good news.
When do I pay rent?
Pay on the first day.
I will bring cash monthly.
That is a perfect plan.
I am ready to sign.
I have the paper contract.
Let us read it now.
Sit at the wooden table.
Let me read the contract.
Take your time reading it.
Is the lease 1 year?
Yes, 12 full months total.
Are pets allowed in here?
No, pets are not allowed.
That is fine with me.
Please read the house rules.
No loud music at night.
Yes, keep it quiet after.
Who fixes a broken pipe?
Call me, I will fix.
You are a good landlord.
I live on first floor.
Where do I sign paper?
Sign at the very bottom.
I need a blue pen.
Here is my favorite pen.
I am writing my name.
Now I will sign it.
Do I get a copy?
Yes, keep this paper copy.
Where are the door keys?
Here are 2 metal keys.
Thank you for the apartment.
Welcome to your new home.
This box is very heavy.
Hello, do you need help?
Yes, please hold this side.
I am your new neighbor.
My name is Mike. Hello.
I am Steve from Next.
Nice to meet you, Steve.
Are you moving in today?
Yes, I just got keys.
Let us lift the box.
We will carry it upstairs.
Put it on the floor.
Thank you for your help.
It is no problem, Mike.
Is this a good building?
Yes, people are very nice.
Where do I put trash?
The trash bin is outside.
I will take it later.
Let me get another box.
You are very strong, friend.
I lift heavy weights daily.
I will buy you coffee.
We can drink coffee tomorrow.
That sounds like great plan.
Welcome to the nice building.